So, so as you can see, I'm not holding my controller at all, and I'm playing Tom Clancy's Ghost Wildlands, and I put in a request to the Ubisoft about the choppers going in and out of control without taking any damage or anything. So here's the proof, and I'll be posting it on YouTube, so hopefully they can fix it. So here we go. Here's the controller. As you can see, my hands are not on it. And now I'm gonna get out of the map sequence. And there's the helicopter flying out of control. See? And I can't do anything, and I can't bail out. You bail out, but I die all the time, so hopefully this would help.